you know. Okay, let not take it too complicated, okay? Christ was a nationalist. Not that he had a political party that was, heading while he lived on earth, but Christ was a nationalist. He was not practicing Christianity, right? Because Christianity is that, but he was practicing the laws of Moses. In these days, they call it Judaism, but in his time, they didn't call it Judaism. They call it the law only because that was a national thing. Okay, you see where I'm coming from. It was a national thing for them. It was their politics. It was their religion.